Here's another little short setup video. Here we have another case of a stock potentially forming a V pattern, which we don't see very often, but we can see that it hasn't been able to return to its previous highs, or certainly not as we're looking at it right now. We've certainly seen a strong break. There's been a lot of sideways movement through this period here. We've now broken clearly down from that, formed this quite a strong down movement here, like from $20 down to 10, literally within a couple of weeks. Very, very strong down movement. On our daily chart here, we've tried to move back higher. We've certainly formed a bit of a double top here, so we're looking for this key level through $17 here. If it broke down through that level, you'd say the double top was complete, and we have a medium-term reversal, and we may be heading lower again. But what actually happens in this case is it doesn't break through that key level of $17, that middle trough in the double top pattern. It hasn't broken through that, so we're still maintaining this little range between $17 and $20. And as it continues to go sideways, we can see now very clearly this $20 level here is a very key level, and as a resistance level, and we're belting our head up against that, and we're really looking for a break higher beyond that. Clearly, the longer this goes on for, the more sustained any break may be, because we're not looking for this V to form, because that is not really a high probability trade. It doesn't happen very often, but we're certainly looking for a break above that $20. Now, if we saw a break below that $16.50, $17 level, then certainly we'd be looking to say either to go short, or that this long opportunity has probably lost, and we'd have to come back to it later on, because it's not setting up the way we want it to set up. And as we just move forward in time, I think we might be seeing something here. We've very definitely seen a clear break for the first time, a move beyond the $20 mark, I guess a close very, very strongly above that $20. And if I just place on my exit level that I typically use in my medium-term trades, we'll just see that my exit has begun being drawn there on the chart. And as we move through this trade, are we going to see this fizzle out? No, looks like something might be happening here. So clearly that $20 level was a key level, and we've now broken, it's moving quite well there, isn't it? We've now broken beyond that $20 level there. Certainly retraced a little bit, we expect that, but that's why my trailing exit, my initial stop loss here is well away from the price action, allowing the price plenty of room to move, and if it does want to retrace a little bit, so be it. And as the trade has developed, you notice the $20 level, which was previously, and I might just continue this line beyond here a little bit. Notice how that $20 level, which was previously resistance, has now clearly become support for this couple of week period here. Come back out, tested that level, just really reinforces the support resistance relationship, and how clearly, which was resistance once, is now clearly support. And now, as this trade moves higher, you can see how well this stock has done once it's broken through that key level there. Just a very simple setup. Remember, we're not going to see this. We're not going to see this V shape just literally, this return back up to where it was. We're going to see more of a sideways sort of consolidation sort of trading. But when we do see that form, patience is very, very important. We identify little congestion zones or range trading, and when we see a break higher from that, that provides us a great opportunity to go in that long direction and hopefully profit from that. Again, if this is something you've seen before or traded before or like the look of, please feel free to post your comments below, and let's generate some discussion on it.